Hello friends, this is Class 2 of Fiverr course for beginners. In Class 1, we learnt what Fiverr is, how it works, and how to create an account. Today in this video, we will see how to create Fiverr profile and its basic setting. I am Selena, from Educational Alliance. So let's get started. Open any browser, and sign in your Fiverr account. This is main dashboard of seller account. Click on profile icon at here, and then click on setting. You will be landing at this page. In first column you need to input your full name. We highly recommend that use your real name at here. In next tab you see your email address that we used while creating Fiverr account. This section is used for your online and off-file status, always set according to your availability. From this drop-down menu, you can select team frame of your status either online or offline. And click Save Changes button at here. This account deactivation tab is used when anyone want to left Fiverr platform permanently. From drop-down menu here she can specify the reason of leaving Fiverr. We never suggest to anyone to do it. It was all about account field. Now, click at next field as security. New dialog box appeared here. Initially, you can change your current password of Fiverr account. By input current password, then new password and confirm new password in this tab. Then click Save Changes. Next, phone verification. You have to click on Verify Now button to get verified your phone number at Fiverr account. We always recommend to do verification of your phone number for security point of view. Next field is for security question. This is also very important and useful. Whenever you forget password of your account, then this security question will be helpful to restore your account. From drop-down menu, you can select your security question and answered it. And then click on Submit button at here. Next tab is Notification. Just click on it. As you see there is notification option for inbox message, order update and rating reminders. Currently all notifications checks are marked. You can unmark from these that you want. Then click Save Changes. Next tab is for business information. That here it's asking about company profile. Being as a seller and individual, you don't need to fill any information into this section. Last tab is payment method. It will be used when you have to make payment to any buyer, so you can skip it for now. Now let's set a profile picture for Fiverr account. As you see this section for set profile picture, always use your real picture at here. Just click on it, and then select your image that you want to use for profile. Then at here write your tagline or title. And then, update. That's it guys. As you see, how to make basic setting of your Fiverr profile. Thanks for watching this video.